Hey, Allie and I are flying off to Africa today. I'm finalizing the packing of my bag. It's really difficult because we're trying to limit ourselves to 10 kilograms each, 22 pounds, and we're in a bunch of different countries. It's hot and cold both, and it's a little bit hard to get information on what you should pack exactly. So I'll show you what I have in my backpack, and when we get to Africa, we'll see how well we did. We'll give ourselves a grade. All right, thanks. I got my binoculars, GoPro camera, I've got a computer in my backpack. There's my bigger backpack. You need a heavy coat, lightweight. These are the clothes I'm going to wear on the plane. And then I just have 3 small packing cubes with only a few shirts, one pair of shorts, pair of pants. I've got my safari hat. I've heard that it's good to have something like this for the rides to keep hot coffee in. Got my flip-flops and my bathroom bag there. This has our itinerary. All right, we'll see how we do. We'll see you in Africa. Hey, we're in Botswana. We made it. We're in day 7 of an 8-day safari. We started in South Africa. Now we're in front of our tent here in the Okavango Delta. And so I wanted to follow up to our packing. I showed most of the contents of what I packed. I was right at 10 kilograms between my 2 backpacks. Allie was maybe 12 or 13. She was had a little extra weight than what we were allowed, but there weren't any issues on the flight, which was good. So hopefully going back home it won't be that bad either. Or it'll be, I guess, they'll be as friendly with a few extra pounds carried on. So we were going blind here, so we'll talk a little bit about some of the good things and bad things. There's one thing that I'm looking at right now that I should not have packed that I thought, so I'm gonna grab it, is this, which was like a borderline item that I was going to bring, and it turns out I really did not need it. On the drives, you really aren't going to take coffee in the back of that thing. It's just stupid, so I shouldn't have done that. Is there anything that you are like, that was a really dumb thing that that I shouldn't have brought?
Well, I mean, I don't consider it dumb, but you don't need to bring shampoo, conditioner, lotion, or bug spray. And because some of us need more bathroom amenities than others, I brought all that stuff and have not needed to touch it.
Yeah,
I can leave those behind next time.
right. It may be a good idea to bring just a little bit of bug spray because I guess just in case but they have it in the room here. They have it on the drives.
They've had it everywhere.
Yeah, they've had it everywhere, so you probably don't need it. But if it's a very small bottle, it doesn't take up a lot of weight. Not a bad idea. As far as your clothes, is there stuff that you could have left behind?
Well, I mean, I brought 6 shirts, and I did bring 3 pairs of shorts, which was dumb. I should have just brought the 2, 1 pair of jeans, and some stuff to sleep in at night. So I feel like I did pretty good, although I haven't gotten through all my clothes because we do a lot of just washing and re-wearing because it's cold. So we've been bundling at night.
Yeah, it feels great right now, but it does get cold. Pretty much everywhere has been cold at night.
Yeah. Morning's cold, so you're bundled up just in your safari gear. Yeah, like, and I have my safari gear, and then afternoon, you got to bundle up in the safari gear too. So
yeah, I think I brought just enough warm weather clothes. That heavy coat has really saved me. You want like a knit cap. Everybody's pretty much has one of those on at night and in the morning, and you don't really need a lot of like warm weather stuff. Like, I mean, I have 1 tank top. I have not worn that. I think everything else that I have worn, you can get by with like 3 pairs of socks, and just wash 1 every day, So, other thing is, I mean, these are like 2.5 pounds binoculars, and we're fine with just 1 set of binoculars. Between
I have my good camera, so if I want to look at things, I've hardly used your binoculars.
Yeah.
And we were going to bring a second pair, so I'm glad you didn't do that.
Yeah, and I don't use mine that much. You can't use them at all when you're driving, and these drives, I mean, they get pretty close to the animals, so only occasionally for brief periods they stop.
Yeah, because we've been on private
Yeah.
ones that we can get really close and drive right up to them. So
So, but other than that, I mean, I think that I could have maybe cut back half a kilogram or 1 more kilogram off. I'm sure you for now probably feel like you could have cut a couple kilograms off. You don't need that much. Everybody who's here, I mean, nobody's like dressed to the nines. Everybody's kind of just wearing their like casual clothes, whatever, shorts or pants. There's no, you know, so I'm really glad that we didn't go crazy with safari gear before this trip.
Oh yeah, we just brought stuff from home. The only other thing I can think of that actually was dumb on my part is that I brought a lot of snacks. And the you are fed like from our flights. I mean, they fed us on our flights like left and right, and I mean it can be an hour flight and they're feeding you a sandwich meal. And here, oh my gosh, they feed you so much food. So I've pretty much just been trucking around these same snacks.
Yeah, we have snacks from Mexico. Too.
Yeah, so I was like,
from when we started.
You know me.
Yeah,
getting hungry. I don't want to be left without any snacks.
No, that's a good point. So just maybe just pack half as many snacks as you normally do, just for emergencies. Yeah. All right, that's good. I think that's everything. So, anything else that we missed? That's pretty good. So, all right, if you're going to Africa, hopefully that helps you out. All right, thanks. Bye. Bye.